Now do it.
All right, girls, come here and take a look at this. I got Miss Bonnie on camera. Y'all come and see, this is some shredded collard greens. Come here, girls. Yes, it's some kind of good. Come here. Yes, come here. All right, guys. How about that? You get some? Huh? You get some of that too? You want some of that? How about that? Yeah. There we go.
Butters didn't get any.
Where's Butters?
Butters is right there with the red band.
Here, Butters.
She's trying to get some.
Okay.
Sophia's getting it all.
They're getting some size to them. Yeah.
There's Butters. Whoops, I got your old face.
There you go.
That's Blanche, and then who jumps in? Rose, trying to take it.
Rose. Okay.
There's Miss Peggy. Hi, Miss Peggy.
Looks like feed time at Surrey House 2. Chickens in the house. A little bit.